20 Ways to Grow Subscribers on YouTube. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Sure. Here are 20 ways to grow subscribers on YouTube. Create high-quality content. Producing engaging and valuable content is the foundation of attracting and retaining subscribers. Focus on providing value to your target audience. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve search engine visibility and attract viewers who are interested in your content. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create visually appealing and attention-grabbing thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. This can significantly increase click-through rates. Call to action, CTA. Include a clear CTA in your videos, encouraging viewers to subscribe to your channel. Remind them to subscribe, like, and share your content. Consistent upload schedule. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. Consistency helps build anticipation and encourages subscribers to return for more content. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other creators in your niche can expose your channel to a wider audience. Collaborative videos can help attract new subscribers. Cross-promote on social media. Leverage your presence on other social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel. Share teasers, snippets, or links to your videos to drive traffic and subscriptions. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos and interact with your viewers. Building a sense of community and actively engaging with your audience encourages loyalty and repeat subscriptions. Run contests and giveaways. Organize contests or giveaways that require viewers to subscribe to your channel to participate. This can incentivize subscriptions and boost engagement. Create playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on specific themes or topics. Playlists make it easier for viewers to navigate your content and discover related videos, increasing watch time and subscriptions. Promote your channel through email newsletters. If you have an email list, send regular newsletters to your subscribers and include links to your latest YouTube videos. This can drive traffic and subscriptions. Optimize your channel page. Customize your channel layout, banner, and profile picture to reflect your brand identity. Make it easy for visitors to understand what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Use YouTube Analytics. Pay attention to your YouTube Analytics to gain insights into your audience's preferences, demographics, and viewing habits. This data can help you tailor your content and marketing strategies for better subscriber growth. Use end screens and cards. Utilize YouTube's end screens and cards feature to promote your other videos or encourage viewers to subscribe. These tools provide clickable elements within your videos to drive engagement. Embed videos on your website or blog. If you have a website or blog, embed your YouTube videos within relevant articles or pages. This can introduce your content to new audiences and potentially convert them into subscribers. Optimize for SEO. Conduct keyword research and optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search engine optimization. This can increase your video's visibility in search results, leading to more subscribers. Paid advertising. Consider running YouTube ads to promote your channel and videos. Target specific demographics or interests to reach potential subscribers who may be interested in your content. Attend industry events and collaborate with influencers. Participate in industry events, conferences, or trade shows where you can network with influencers and other content creators. Collaborations and mentions from influential individuals can boost your subscriber count. Create compelling channel trailers. Craft a captivating channel trailer that showcases your best content and highlights what viewers can expect from subscribing to your channel. This can serve as a powerful introduction to your channel for new visitors. Stay active and persistent. Growing subscribers on YouTube takes time and effort. Stay dedicated to producing quality content, engaging with your audience, and implementing strategies consistently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.